Hello and welcome to our review of the MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a versatile 2-in-1 cleaning solution designed to tackle dust, pet hair, and debris with ease. This innovative device combines a powerful 1,400 pascals suction with a wet mop function and a 230 milliliters electric control water tank, making it perfect for hard floors like laminate and ceramic tiles. With smart app and voice control compatibility, you can effortlessly schedule cleanings and switch modes using the Tuya Smart app or Google Assistant, and a remote control is included for added convenience. The upgraded intelligent obstacle avoidance system and slim 2.87-inch design ensure it navigates around furniture and tight spaces with precision. Enjoy up to 100 minutes of runtime on a single charge, thanks to its 2,500 mAh battery, and rest easy knowing it will automatically return to its charging base when needed. Choose from 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes, including Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, to suit your specific cleaning needs and maximize coverage. Ideal for pet owners, its brushless suction port prevents hair entanglement, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience, and with professional customer service and a 12-month warranty, you can trust in the quality and support that comes with the BR151 robotic vacuum cleaner.